Hello everyone and welcome to my first YouTube video. What is compliance? To make it simple, compliance basically means complying with the required rules and regulations. For example, complying with external regulatory requirements, such as those issued by the central bank or the Ministry of Commerce, or even the local laws of the land. And internal compliance, which is basically complying with the institution's internal policies and procedures. So, why should we comply? Well, as with all rules of the law, if you don't follow the requirements, you get a financial penalty, or you have your business restricted, or even worse, closed. So how does an institution such as a bank ensure compliance? Well, by appointing someone called a compliance officer. You can think of a compliance officer as the internal police of the organization, because they are responsible to make sure all rules are being followed. Alternatively, you can think of compliance officers as goalkeepers, in that they are responsible for protecting the institution from any financial penalties or reputational risks. The compliance officer works with management to identify areas where the institution must comply with and ensure there are systems and controls in place to comply with the required regulations. The compliance officer is also the main point of contact between the regulators and the institution itself. He or she is basically the link between the regulators and the management or the board. So, can anyone be a compliance officer? Well, basically yes. You just have to meet the following conditions first. 1. Experience. Usually around 7 years in the related field, such as banking. 2. Education. Usually a bachelor's degree and an ICA, which is the International Compliance Association certificate. 3. Knowledge of the local regulatory laws and central bank rulebooks. 4. You have to be approved by the board first, and then usually you have to be approved by the central bank. The compliance officer is always independent. They don't report to a manager. They don't even report to the CEO. They report directly to the board. This ensures they have the freedom to monitor and implement any compliance controls they deem necessary without any influence of anyone else. In many cases, the compliance officer is also the MLRO, Money Laundering Reporting Officer, which is what we will discuss in our next video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, as it does help the channel. Thank you.